guys, it's Alex here from alextubi.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about Instagram stories and specifically features you probably didn't know existed. I actually had to break this video into two parts since there are so many awesome IG story features, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to see part 2 when it comes out next week. Some other videos you can expect from me soon are how to get more followers on Instagram, recent tech purchases I've made, how to write a blog post that gets tons of traffic, and many more. I also want to quickly mention our sponsor for today, which is Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a subscription service that gives you unlimited access to royalty-free images, videos, audio, sound effects, digital vectors, After Effects templates, and more. It's an incredible resource for content creators, freelancers, digital marketers, influencers, and everything in between. As video gains speed and importance online, Storyblocks can help you put out high-quality content and instantly up-level your marketing and your brand. So if you're looking for quality images for your Instagram feed, stories, website, or you need help with a YouTube intro, visual effects, or sound, Storyblocks is for you. If you'd like to give Storyblocks a try, just click the link in my description box below. Now let's get started with some of my favorite Instagram story features. Number 1 is shoppable tags. Shoppable tags are available to physical product sellers who have set up a shop within their Facebook business page. I have a tutorial on how to do this here if you need some guidance. Once you've linked your products to your store and been approved, you will be able to not only tag your products within your Instagram feed posts, but also in your stories. Obviously, this is a great way to get more eyes on your product and more potential buyers through your checkout process. Number 2, on this day. You've probably seen this feature on Facebook before where they remind you of something you posted a number of years ago. Well, Instagram Stories has a similar feature that allows you to share with your audience something you posted to Instagram in the past. To access this, open your Instagram Stories camera, select Create on the left-hand side, then slide through the options on the bottom. The clock icon is the On This Day feature. Instagram will automatically pull a piece of content from your past for you to share with your audience to see how far you've come. Number 3, background fill. This is an oldie but a goodie. To fill the background of an Instagram story with a solid color, simply take a photo, select the fine point marker, choose a color, and press and hold on the screen. After a few seconds, the background will fill, giving you a perfect blank canvas to work with. 4, reveal. This is a great way to tease new content on your stories or simply share some creative designs with your audience. To pull this off, you'll need to upload an image to your story, then fill the background like I just taught you. From here, switch over to the eraser tool and erase a bit of the screen. This effectively reveals the image behind the color. Repurpose from archives. While Instagram stories are only live for 24 hours, did you know that they actually last forever? Yep, you can access old story content through your archives and repurpose it anytime you want. To access your archives, head to your profile, hit the hamburger icon in the top right, and select Archive. From here, you can scroll back through all of your past story content, sort it by calendar date, or even by location on the map. Once you select a piece of content, you can hit the 3 dots in the bottom right and reshare your archive story. Copy and paste. This might sound weird, but did you know you can copy and paste an image from your camera roll directly into Instagram stories? Well, you can. Just take any image from your camera roll, select the share icon, and choose copy. This may look slightly different on Android, but the option is there. Then head over to your story, select the A icon, tap the screen, and select paste. You can now make this bigger, smaller, or move it anywhere you please. You can also repeat this process to bring multiple images into a single story. You can also do this by heading to your stickers and looking for the camera roll image. If you are loving this video and are keen to learn more about Instagram, definitely make sure you check out my free Instagram training. It's called 10 Instagram Secrets Every Business Owner Must Know, and you can access it for absolutely free by clicking the link above or in the description box below. Live photos to boomerangs. Now this is a fun one I only just recently found out about. Open your story and swipe up to access your camera roll. Choose any image you like, however it must be a live photo. Once it loads, simply tap and hold on the image and it will magically convert into a boomerang. This is a great way to repurpose your still images into video content to be more engaging. More colors. Did you know you can choose more colors than the default options you see when you access the editing tools? By simply pressing and holding on any color, you'll open up the entire color wheel of options. Without letting go, drag your finger around to select the exact color you're looking for. You can also always use the eyedropper tool on the far left side to select any color that appears in your story already. More fonts. The last one I'm going to share with you guys today is the secret to getting unique fonts on your Instagram stories. To do this, you'll need to go to the website lingojam.com. Type in your text, then choose a font from the box below. Go back to your story and paste it in, and voila, fancy text. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new and feel more confident in creating Instagram stories for your account. Don't forget to subscribe and sign up for my free Instagram masterclass if you want to learn how to use Instagram as a real marketing tool to promote and grow your business. So I will see you guys in the next video.